yo. Drop a little something like this here. Smooth on the mellow tip. Motivate, mistivate rhymes, I can deviate. Put a little mist in the mix so I can commentate. On the beat at hand, my master plan. Drop a little funk in the trunk and then I take a stand. Rapping about 40s on a track, bitches and your switches, I ain't about none of that. Let me treat ya to a special feature. DJ King Cut in the house, I'm glad to meet ya. On the microphone I drop much wisdom. Fat beats in the back, I know where it hits some. Roll the rhyme like a joint, hashish in the house, I just had the point. Go to goal, I'm out of control. To shoot one in the hole takes a little bit of soul. Sign a deal with the devil, you will burn. Carol's in the place, face the base for the worm. Slamming that, jamming that E-thing. To the G, to the YPT slang. Where have you been? I just came back from hell. Level the devil, now it's rhymes I must sell. Thinking about Cairo and the now. Unveiling funk with class and style. Pizzazz and a razzmatazz. Egyptian on the microphone, kicking that ass. Jump with the bump in the trunk. Take one shot of King, I bet you'll be drunk. Dropping a little something for 9. Water Arabian on the microphone, man, that is odd. I don't agree in the last line. Save it for the suckers, jealous of my rhyme. And all those that say I'm not right, smoke this joint as I come to my height. I'm graphic like Glyphics off high road. This is my jam, sticking it straight out of Cairo. Raise from the ground to give you this sound. DJ King Cut coming through with a breakdown. Bassline. One into the 2 and 3 into the 4. Got rhymes in my mind, I'll give you some more. Some more, what you craving for? With a beat like this, it's hard not to soar. E to the G to the Y to the PT. I give thanks to all those that are down with me. Thanks to my mother for letting me be King Cut, rapping about Cairo, that's it for me. Drop a little funk in the trunk and then I take a stand. Take one shot of King, I bet you'll be drunk. King Cut, thinking about Cairo, that's it for me.